So today we are going to learn access modifier, which is accessing the member on what scope. So here we can see we are having two assemblies. So there are 5 access modifiers we are using in programming language: the private, protected, internal, public, private, protected, and protected internal. The private is a accessing only same class inside the same class. Protected will accessible same class as well as derived class. Private protected will accessible same class and derived class. Internal will accessible any other codes also in same assembly. Protected internal with same assembly on same class with and derived class. And public will accessible on same class as well as different assembly. So we can see here another picture. Private will accessible on this location, means same class only, right? So private protected accessible in same class with derived class but same assembly. Internal is accessible in same class, derived class, and whole assembly in the same assembly, but protected is accessible in same class and derived class. Protected internal is accessible same class, derived class, and on same whole assembly. This is the way. And here public will accessible same as well as different assembly. So here the explanation we can take. Public, the type or member can be accessed by any other code in the same assembly or another assembly that reference is. Public can accessible same assembly and another assembly for that is referenced. Private member can only access the same class or struct, okay, only same class that can be accessible. The protected can be accessible in the same class and struct and or derived class which is derived from that class. Private protected member can accessible the same class, struct, and derived class from the same assembly but not the another assembly, okay. An internal type can be accessible in any code in the same assembly but not from another assembly, means we can accessible anywhere in the same assembly but not from another assembly. Protected internal, the type or member can be accessible in the code same assembly or derived come in another assembly as well.